Have you ever wondered how it feels to overcome adversity and taste the sweet success? Let's take a journey into the life of Milkha Singh, a name synonymous with resilience, discipline, and sheer determination. Born into a humble family in undivided India, Milkha's early years were anything but easy. The partition of India in 1947 brought about a tragic turn of events, claiming the lives of his family members. Amidst such heart-wrenching circumstances, it would have been easy for Milkha to succumb to despair. But did he? Absolutely not. Instead, he discovered an indomitable spirit within himself that refused to be broken. Milkha sought solace in discipline in the rigorous routine of the Indian Army, which he joined, moving away from the haunting memories of his past. It was here that he found a new family, a sense of purpose, and the first taste of his athletic prowess. And that was just the beginning of Milkha Singh's incredible journey. From a young boy with a traumatic past, Milkha Singh became a beacon of hope and strength. As we delve deeper into his journey, we find a young Milkha joining the Indian Army. It was here that he was introduced to the world of athletics, a world that would forever change his life. Can you imagine, though, a young man scarred by the tragedies of his past, now standing on the precipice of a path that would lead him to become a legend? His introduction to athletics sparked a fire within him, a fire fueled by an unyielding dedication to training. This wasn't a mere pastime for Milkha. No, it was a mission to outdo himself every single day, to run faster, to push harder, to break his own records. To him, each day was an opportunity to be better than he was the day before. And it wasn't a smooth journey. There were struggles, there were setbacks. But the fascinating thing about Milkha was that he didn't shy away from these struggles. He didn't let setbacks deter him. Instead, he embraced them, he learned from them. Each setback was simply a stepping stone, a lesson on his path to greatness. His relentless dedication bore fruit when he started tasting success at the national level. His key victories in the national games were only the beginning of a string of successes that would follow. But the road to these victories was paved with sweat and effort. It was a testament to his unwavering dedication and his unyielding spirit. But remember, it wasn't just about winning for Milkha. It was about representing his nation on the international stage. It was about making his people proud. And he did just that. His victories brought immense pride to his nation, and he became an inspiration to his people. Through his hard work and dedication, Milkha Singh proved that success is the result of consistent effort and determination. His journey serves as a powerful reminder that no matter where you come from, no matter what adversities you face, with dedication and hard work, you too can rise above and become a champion. Milkha Singh's life was not just about winning races, it was about winning against all odds. This living legend, who etched his name in the annals of sports history, has left behind a legacy filled with invaluable lessons. Firstly, his life underscores the importance of resilience. Coming from a background marred by the tragic events of the partition of India, Singh rose above the adversity to become one of India's most celebrated athletes. His story exemplifies that even in the face of the most profound hardships, it is possible to rise, rebuild, and create a successful life. Secondly, Singh's unwavering dedication and relentless hard work serve as a testament to the power of perseverance and commitment. His rigorous training regimen and disciplined lifestyle reinforce the significance of consistent effort and dedication. Whether it's sports, academics, or any field, excellence is a product of relentless pursuit and unwavering commitment to one's goals. Thirdly, Singh's life illuminates the importance of focus and determination. His single-minded focus on representing India at the international stage, coupled with his iron will, demonstrates the power of having a clear vision and unwavering determination. A clear vision coupled with a strong focus can help us navigate the most challenging obstacles and reach our desired destination. Fourthly, Singh's story is a powerful reminder to never give up. Despite numerous setbacks and failures, he never let his dream of becoming a successful athlete fade. His journey underscores the importance of persistence and resilience in the pursuit of our dreams. Lastly, Singh's accomplishments instilled a sense of national pride and served as an inspiration to millions. His story exemplifies the impact that individual success can have on society and illuminates how one person's achievements can inspire a whole nation. Milkha Singh's extraordinary journey teaches us that no matter what life throws at us, with determination and hard work, we can overcome anything and achieve success. His life serves as a beacon of hope and motivation, inspiring us to strive for greatness, overcome challenges, and contribute positively to society.